Extending the life of keypads involves several aspects, including correct usage habits, appropriate maintenance measures, and the selection of high-quality membrane switches. Here are some specific suggestions. Correct use. Avoid pressing the switch too hard, as excessive force may cause the mechanical components inside the switch to wear faster. Avoid placing heavy objects on the switch or applying excessive external force to prevent the switch from deformation or damage. Regular maintenance. Clean the switch regularly to avoid the accumulation of dust, dirt, or other impurities on the surface or inside of the switch, which may affect the normal operation of the switch. Check whether the cable of the switch is loose or damaged, and repair or replace the damaged parts in time. For switches that need lubrication, add an appropriate amount of lubricant regularly to maintain the smooth operation of the switch. Choose high-quality membrane switches keypads. When purchasing keypads, choose well-known brands and high-quality products, which usually have a longer service life and more stable performance. Pay attention to the rated current and voltage of the switch to ensure that the selected switch meets the actual requirements. Improve the use environment. Avoid using the switch in harsh environments such as humidity, high temperature, or corrosive gases, which may accelerate the aging and damage of the switch. If the switch must be used in harsh environments, you can consider using a specially designed switch such as waterproof, dustproof, or explosion-proof. Timely replacement. If the switch is found to have insensitive operation, poor contact, or other anomalies, check and replace the switch in time to prevent the fault from spreading or affecting other devices. To sum up, extending the life of the membrane switches keypads requires comprehensive consideration of many aspects such as use habits, maintenance measures, product quality, and use environment. By taking appropriate measures, the service life of the membrane switches keypads can be effectively extended, and the reliability and stability of the equipment can be improved.